I'm at Ward High Tech in Sheffield. You can come here and visit their HQ, and you can do it safely and look at some of the technology that they're offering to the market and talk to them about some of the great commercial support they're offering to UK industry. I'm going to quickly show you 3 turning centres that are available from stock, but there's many more machines here. This is the first one, the High Tech 230A YMC, a Y-axis turning centre. This means you've got the ability to machine more features on a part without taking it off and moving it to other machines to do operations on it. You've got a double point indexing turret, a 12 station turret, but can move to 24 points, and of course it's got milling on there as well. Now this machine's available from stock, and so are the 2 machines we're also going to look at now, which is the High Tech 200 series. Here we have a 200B. Now this has a smaller turning length than the one we're going to look at in a minute, and this is a straightforward 2-axis lathe here. How commonly are these machines purchased here in the UK? How many machine shops need simply 2-axis lathes? But how many machine shops want to make sure that they buy one that's not only reliable, but it can cut to precise tolerances? Well, the Hwacheon machines can, and the reason they can is because they're box guideway machines. They've got 60 years of experience in building machines like we've seen here. All of the guideways are scraped. The craftsmanship that goes into the manufacturing of these machines is pretty incredible. In fact, they're the largest privately owned machine tool builder in Korea. Now this machine is a 200 as well, but you've got a slightly longer turning length. You've got milling, and we've got a milling turret on here, so of course you can do more than just turning on this type of machine. Now I'm not going to go into masses of details about the swings, the turning lengths. You can get a feel for that on the camera. What is important to say is that these machines are here in stock, and Ward High Tech are here to support you commercially as well at the moment. They will class themselves as pretty unique in the industry. They're an accredited funding house here, and they've got 3 options on finance. The first of which, you could rent any of the machines I've spoken about for a 12-month period, and then you could then choose whether you hand the machine back or whether you purchase it afterwards. And of course, if you do choose to purchase the machine afterwards, the money that you've spent on the rental will be included in your repayments, or will be part of your repayment program. The second is take a payment break. Why not buy one of these machines, have a Y-axis turning centre, and don't pay anything for the machine until it's making you money. Talk to them about the payment holidays. Or thirdly, just go for a straight 0% interest deal, saving you thousands of pounds. Or in fact, a mix of all of them. Whatever works for you, whatever will help you grow your business in uncertain times, Ward High Tech are here to support you. And you can come to their facility here in Sheffield and talk to them about the machines, but also their commercial support.